You've been shot. This isn't a paper cut or a scratch you walk off. This is blood on the floor, world spinning, kind of hurt. Your body's leaking, vision's narrowing, legs are barely ideas. There's a hole in you that shouldn't be. Nearest hospital? Gone. Help? Not coming. It's just you, a few supplies, and the grit to stay alive. This is field medicine, end of the world edition. You've got minutes. Let's use them smart. Step 1. Stop the bleeding. Find the cleanest cloth nearby, shirt, towel, even a sock. Fold it. Press down on the wound hard. Don't peek. Don't remove it. If it soaks through, stack another. You're not wiping, you're sealing a leak. Wound on a limb? Elevate it. Gravity's on your side. Step 2. Tourniquet. When bleeding won't quit. Bright red pulsing blood? That's an artery. Act fast. Find a belt, band, or thick cloth strip. Wrap it a few inches above the wound. Twist it tight with a stick or screwdriver until bleeding stops. Yes, it'll hurt. That means it's working. Mark the time. 2 hours max. After that, the limb's on borrowed time. Step 3. Clean the wound. Flush it. Use clean, cool water. Boiled and cooled, bottled, or even tap in a pinch. Stream it in, don't dab. If you have saline or peroxide, use once and move on. No need to cook the tissue trying to help. Step 4. Pack the wound. If there's a cavity, it needs filling. Use gauze or clean cloth strips. Layer from the bottom. Not too loose, not too tight. If there's an exit wound, treat both sides. Cover with larger dressing. Tape it down. Duct tape in a pinch. Step 5. Fight infection. Antibiotics? Use them now. Full course. No skipping. No meds? Real honey has antimicrobial power. Garlic in oil too. Crude, but in survival, crude can save you. Step 6. Watch for shock. Pale skin, fast heartbeat, shallow breath, confusion. These are red flags. If you feel it, lie down, lift your legs, keep warm. Drink water slowly, no chugging. Why does this work? Because your body wants to live. Pressure helps clots form. Tourniquet buys time. Packing helps internal bleeding. Antibiotics kill what your body can't. If you last an hour, your odds go up. Make it to morning, you might just survive. This isn't pretty, it's survival. If you're still breathing, still fighting, you're not done. Stay sharp, stay alive.